Welcome to our journey of small kitchen design inspiration. Today, we'll explore how even the tiniest spaces can be transformed into efficient, stylish, and warm kitchens where every detail counts. Maximizing every square inch is key. Open layouts and smart design choices create the illusion of spaciousness, making your small kitchen feel airy and inviting. Look upward. Utilizing vertical space with tall cabinets and floating shelves not only boosts storage but also draws the eye upward, expanding your kitchen's visual height. A small kitchen can still enjoy the luxury of a kitchen island. When designed with multifunctional features, islands provide additional counter space, storage, and even seating for intimate meals. Incorporate appliances that not only perform flawlessly, but also blend into your design. Concealed refrigerators and compact stoves ensure a clean, uncluttered look. Smart storage solutions are essential in small spaces. Think pull-out drawers, hidden compartments, and magnetic knife strips that keep everyday essentials organized and accessible. Light colors and reflective surfaces work wonders in making a kitchen appear larger. Whites, creams, and soft pastels help bounce light around and create an open, calm atmosphere. While neutrals set the stage, a bold accent can add personality. Whether it's a vibrant island or a splash of color on one wall, these touches bring energy and character. Display your favorite pieces on open shelves to add a decorative yet functional element. Keep frequently used items within reach while showcasing your unique style. A striking backsplash can transform your kitchen. From textured tiles to reflective glass, the right design elevates your space while protecting your walls. Natural light is your best friend in a small kitchen. Enhancing window areas and even adding skylights can bring warmth and a sense of openness into your space. Even in a small kitchen, a dedicated dining nook can make a huge impact. Cozy seating areas invite conversation and add multifunctional use to your space. Embrace sustainability with eco-friendly materials. Reclaimed wood, recycled glass, and energy-efficient appliances not only help the planet, but add a natural charm to your kitchen. Your kitchen should reflect your personality. Incorporate personal artifacts, art and vintage finds to make your small kitchen uniquely yours and full of character. Thoughtful lighting transforms your kitchen at any hour. Use layered lighting, from under cabinet LED to pendant fixtures, to create a warm, inviting ambiance. In a small kitchen, every element must earn its place. Embrace a minimalist approach where functional decor and clean lines keep the space uncluttered yet beautiful. Discover innovative solutions that save space without sacrificing style. From pull-out cutting boards to compact dishwashers, every design detail can work smarter. Mix textures and materials to add depth and warmth. Combining smooth surfaces with tactile finishes creates a dynamic, inviting space in even the smallest kitchen. In small kitchens, every design choice must balance aesthetics with practicality. Prioritize layouts that enhance workflow while keeping your space beautiful and stress-free. As we conclude our exploration, remember that a small kitchen can be a canvas for big ideas. Let these inspirations guide you to create a space that is uniquely yours, efficient, elegant, and full of life.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more design and tips.